what is the number one question every real estate agent should be asking themselves? So I've been thinking about this for a while, and I think that the question that we're asking ourselves is actually the wrong question. Most real estate agents are asking themselves, hey, how do I get more leads, or how do I get more clients? And the thing is, that is the wrong question. So I'm John Womberg here with Top Agent Secrets, and I'm going to be sharing with you today the number one question that you should be asking yourself, not the one that most people are asking themselves, and it's probably not what you think. So first of all, the number one question that we tend to ask ourselves is, how do I get more money? How do I get more leads? How do I get more closings? And questions like that. And none of those things are the right question. The right question is, how can I add more value to my clients? And when you figure out how to add more value to your clients, you'll never lack for leads. You'll never lack for listings. You'll never lack for money, because money is going to come to you when you figure out how to provide the most value to your clients. So I want to encourage you just to stop asking yourself that question of, hey, how do I get more money? And looking at it from, strictly, a me focused or me centered type of way. Start looking at it from, what can I do to add more value to my clients? How can I make this transaction smoother for them? How can I make it easier for them? And as you figure that out, what I can guarantee you is you're guaranteed to sell more houses. You're guaranteed to get more referrals. You're guaranteed to make more money. And all of it is going to come from when you figure out how to add more value, how to do more for the people that you're serving. All right, thanks again for being with us today. Again, I'm John Womberg with Top Agent Secrets. If you have any questions, or if there's anything I can do to help you sell more real estate, please feel free to call me at any time, or stop by our Facebook page, which is Top Agent Secrets. And also you can go to our YouTube channel, which is also Top Agent Secrets. All right, thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.